Hi, I'm John. It's nice to meet you.
Hi, John. I'm Emma. How's it going?
Pretty good. How about you?
I'm doing well, thanks. Where are you from?
I'm from New York, just moved here. What about you?
I've lived here all my life. How are you liking it?
It's great. Any recommendations for places to visit?
Definitely. You should check out the city park and the cafe downtown. Amazing coffee.
Sounds good. Maybe we could grab coffee together sometime.
Sure, let's do that.
Hi, James. Do you have a moment? I wanted to ask you about something.
Sure, Maya. What's on your mind?
I've been in the US for a few months, but I'm unsure about some social customs. Could you give me some tips?
Of course, saying please and thank you is very important. It's a small gesture, but it shows politeness.
Oh, I've noticed that. People here say thank you for almost everything.
Exactly. Also, Americans value personal space. Usually people keep about an arm's length distance during conversations.
That's good to know. In my culture, we stand closer.
It's different here. Also, punctuality is important. Try to be on time or arrive 5 minutes early for work or events.
Got it. And tipping? I always find it confusing.
Tipping is big here. At restaurants, tip 15 to 20% of the bill, and for taxis, about 10 to 15%.
Thanks for explaining. Anything else?
Avoid asking personal questions like age or salary unless you know the person well.
That's helpful. I'll keep that in mind.
You're doing great, Maya. Let me know if you have more questions.
Hey, Alex. Did you hear that TikTok is back in the US because of President Donald Trump?
Really? I thought it was banned recently. What happened?
Yes, it was banned on January 18th, 2025, due to national security concerns over its Chinese ownership.
I remember there were issues about data privacy and potential misuse by the Chinese government.
Exactly. But after the ban, President-elect Trump announced he would issue an executive order to extend the deadline for TikTok's divestment, allowing it to continue operating in the US.
So, TikTok is back online now?
Yes, they began restoring service on January 19th, 2025, after receiving assurances from Trump.
That's good news for users. But isn't there still a requirement for TikTok to be sold to a US company?
Yes, the Protecting Americans from Foreign Adversary-Controlled Applications Act requires ByteDance to divest its U.S. operations. Trump's extension provides more time for that process.
I see. It's interesting how policies can change with different administrations.
Definitely. For now, users can continue enjoying TikTok while the legal aspects are sorted out.
Let's hope they find a solution that addresses security concerns and keeps the platform available.
Agreed. It's become such a popular app for creativity and connection.
Hi, John. Do you have a moment? I'm struggling with US measurements. They're so different from what I'm used to.
Sure, Savannah. It can be confusing at first. What's giving you trouble?
Mostly cooking recipes. They use cups, ounces, and pounds. And I'm used to grams and letters.
In the U.S., we use the imperial system. For example, 1 cup is about 240 milliliters, and 1 pound is roughly 450 grams.
That helps. What about ounces?
There are 2 types, fluid ounces for liquids and ounces for weight. For liquids, 1 fluid ounce is about 30 milliliters.
I see. And for distances, you use miles instead of kilometers, right?
Exactly. 1 mile is about 1.6 kilometers, and there are 5,280 feet in a mile.
Got it. What about temperatures? I see Fahrenheit everywhere.
To convert from Celsius to Fahrenheit, multiply the Celsius temperature by 1.8 and add 32.
That's helpful. Thanks, John. This was really useful.
Anytime, Savannah. You'll get used to it soon.